Hey everybody, AJ here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background of a photo using Microsoft PowerPoint. So why would you want to remove the background of a photo anyway? It could be that you want to grab a person or the people's face without the background in there. It could be that you want to superimpose two photos together, or it could be that you want to grab a certain section of a photo without grabbing the entire image. Whatever your reason for removing the background of a photo, I'm going to show you a really simple and effective way to do this using Microsoft PowerPoint. Of course, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you really want to supercharge the way you use Windows 10, hit that subscribe button as well. With that being said, let's get into this. So I'm going to use this using my Surface Book and the Surface Pen, but you can do this with a keyboard and mouse just as well. First thing I'm going to do is open up PowerPoint, and let's grab a new slide. Let's not worry about this blank one. And we're going to scroll up to the Insert section and choose Insert, and we're going to go Picture. And I'm going to grab a photo from this device. I've saved an image here on the desktop, so let's just scroll over to my desktop, select a photo of me and Ash at the beach, and go Insert. Easy as that. PowerPoint's going to drop your image in, and it's going to have all your formatting options up the top here. Under the picture format of the ribbon here, on the left hand side, the first option is to remove background, but for whatever reason, if you can't seem to find this, simply select on the search option and start typing in whatever you're after. So I'll give you an example here. If I open up the search option and I start typing in remove background, it's going to take me to that action anyway. So we're going to select our photo, jump over to remove background. PowerPoint uses AI engine to suggest or make suggestions as to what it thinks you want to remove. So if you look on the left hand side here of the preview of that slide, you can see that everything has actually been removed except for Ash. And if we wanted to keep this change, we could actually just go keep changes, and that, so I'm going to hit that keep changes, and you're going to see everything has been removed, including myself, and we have a great cutout there of Ash. But I'm actually going to jump back, restore that photo, and hit remove background again. So there's a few key options here that you have of mark the areas that you want to keep, or you can mark the areas that you want to remove. So you're either adding or subtracting here. You can discard all changes that you have made, so you can start again from scratch. And of course, once you're happy with what you've removed or kept, you can keep those changes. So what we're going to do is we're going to select mark areas to keep. And now with the Surface Pen here, I'm going to go through and I'm going to start highlighting what I want to keep. You can see that the green line is going to symbolize what you're wanting to keep. And now I'm just doing a few simple lines here. Tells the AI engine to grab essentially what is in the vicinity of what we want to keep. Of course, because this has a bit of a bokeh effect, the glasses and whatnot around my head are naturally cut out. So this isn't going to be super perfect, but I feel the pen here gives me a bit more granular control than what a keyboard and mouse would do. And you know what, I'm pretty happy with that. Last one. Pretty happy with that. So now I'm going to scroll over and hit keep changes. You can see the background is removed, and now I've cut out the photo of Ash and myself. That was really simple, right? This is great if you're going to be using it in PowerPoint, but if you wanted to save that photo somewhere else, all you have to do is simply right click on the photo, go into your more options and scroll down to save picture as. Of course, because I use my finger to right click, the menu option came up a bit differently. So using the keyboard and mouse, or using the mouse I should say, if I right click on it, you just scroll down again and you hit save picture as. We're going to grab the picture, make sure it saves as a PNG. We go desktop and we'll just save this as picture 1. Let's hit save, jump over to our desktop and see what that photo looks like. So you can see here, we have cut out the background, and now just for a bit of perspective, let's actually see what the original looked like as well. So you have the original there, snap that to the side. So on the left hand side we have the original, and on the right hand side we have the cutout of Ash and myself. Alright, and it was that simple to remove the background of a photo using Microsoft PowerPoint. If you found this video useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you really want to supercharge the way you use your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching, have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye.